This is a product video for 2.1 meter wide clothesline options and which clothesline is going to be best suited for this space that you may have of 2.1 meters. In this video we'll cover the different products that are available, the color options, mounting options and installation of those products, plus any accessories you can get as well for a clothesline that is 2.1 meters wide. When it comes to clotheslines 2.1, the Eco 210 is one of the ones that we recommend. This product is 2.1 meters wide to start with and comes in a range of depth options as well to discuss in a minute. This is a full steel Australian made product, really high quality and great finish. This is it shown in the up position ready for use on a wall mounted. And this is what it would look like from the side of the clothesline. You can see the different, this is one of the depth options that's available. You can see the full wall brackets of solid steel 40 by 40, as well as the strong side arms and strut that holds the arms up, all steel construction. There's no plastic parts in there at all. And the only really plastic part is the cord itself on the clothesline. This is what it would look like in the down position. Obviously if you don't need it, you can simply push it up slightly and it folds flat to the wall, out of the way. And then when you want to use it again, you just simply lift it up and it locks into position. With the Eco 210 clothesline, it does come in 5 different depth options. When we talk about depth option, we mean the distance out from the wall. So with this one, you could get 0.6 of a meter, 0.75, 0.9 of a meter, 1.2 or 1.5. So obviously the bigger you can go with your distance out from the wall means the more line space you're going to get generally. So obviously if you go for a 2.1 by 1500, you're going to get the most line spacing, but obviously that's going to depend on what area you've got to work with and your limitations within your home as well. Also with the Eco clothesline range, you can get an optional Eco Lowline attachment. This is a slightly lower section you can add to the clothesline at the back of the unit to give you an extra 3 lines. This is really handy if you're trying to maximize your line space in a very small area. It's great for having your smaller stuff then towards the back of the clothesline and as the bigger stuff towards the front as you move forward. It goes flat to the wall as well when you move the main frame as it's attached to the main frame, and it's a really handy option to try and give you more line space for small areas. If you don't need the low line attachment on any day, you can simply just unhook it from the main frame and it folds flat to the wall. So again, if you are looking to maximize your line space, this may be something worth considering. The colour options available for the Eco range are 10 standard colours. These pretty much cover the spectrum of the most popular colours that we see today for clotheslines. These are all ColourBond colours, but if you do have requirements outside of these 10, we may be able to help you. Please feel free to give us a call and we can discuss what is available for colours, but we generally find most of these 10 fit for most people's needs. For the 2.1 meter wide clotheslines, we do recommend the Eco clothesline range. They are handmade in Australia the old-fashioned ways, and they are made of full Australian steel. So that means they're really built to last. They're designed in Australia, made in Australia, and really built for Australian conditions and the weather that we see here. And one really popular clothesline that we see lasting a lifetime. The big range of modern colours as well is a big selling point. They do have the biggest range of colours for any clotheslines available, and we can also customise them free of charge as well. So if you had a space of 2.1 or 2.15, 2.18 or something like that, we can actually make the clothesline exactly that size for you to make sure you can maximise any of the available space or area that you've got to work with. When it comes to the mounting of the clothesline, the standard mounting option is the wall mount option with a standard brick or masonry wall. If you don't have a good wall surface to mount to, we recommend using a ground mount kit. So the left leg there is shown installed into like a soil and grass area, so you'd have to dig a couple of holes and concrete each of the legs in. We call that the standard ground mount kit. Or the other option, if you had a flat concrete slab area, is getting a plated ground mount kit. This kit has plates welded onto the bottom of the legs, so then you can mount it directly down to a concrete slab area, and then the clothesline would attach to the 2 legs. If you need help with clothesline installation, Lifestyle Clotheslines does have a network of installers Australia-wide, so you can simply check the box on the product page and add that to your order, or you can also give us a call and we can help you with the installation service as well via phone. An optional extra you can get for these type of clotheslines is a clothesline cover. This cover is pretty handy for keeping the weather off your clothes, keeps them nice and dry and stuff like that. It's optional to have on your clothesline, but something might be worth considering as well. With the clotheslines, they're all covered by a 100-day happiness guarantee. That makes sure you've got the right clothesline for your space and situation. And if you need any further information on clotheslines that are 2.1 metres wide, feel free to contact us at lifestyleclotheslines.com.au, or you can also reach us via phone at any time on 1300 798 779 and speak to one of our clothesline experts about your specific needs or situation there. Thanks again. Bye.